Okay, today I'll just teach Galaxy, Ansible Galaxy. Okay, what is Ansible Galaxy? Ansible Galaxy is public code library. Public code library. Public code library. Okay, what is public code library? Do you know any other public code library? Yes, GitHub. GitHub is actually one type of public code library. What do you mean by public code library? Public code library means people can open an account in public code library and you can contribute the code. You can contribute codes. Suppose you are .NET developer, .NET developer, and you can develop either a complete part of a particular project or some part of the particular project or some part which people always seek. You can develop and contribute in public code library. It's like a library. Library will have books and magazines, and libraries are actually maybe college library. So there are so many books which college people kept. Imagine you have some books in your hand which are not using. Then it's better you can just contribute to your college, right? Same way, understanding. There are so many codes contributed by this GitHub people, and also GitHub is giving chance for the people to open an account in it and contribute the code. You can also like upload codes, download code. It's like open platform for open code. Okay, it's an open and public code library. Public can create an account and upload, download codes. So here GitHub and Ansible Galaxy. GitHub contain every types of codes of Python, codes of PowerShell, codes of shell script, codes of Ansible, codes of Java, codes of many things, everything. But in case of Ansible Galaxy is Ansible proprietary Ansible proprietary public code library. That means it accept only Ansible codes. Clear? Ansible Galaxy will accept only Ansible codes, but GitHub, you can contribute any type of codes in GitHub. This is very important thing you must understand. Next thing, what I'll do is I'll just show you Ansible Galaxy. Ansible Galaxy, just to click on it. This is Ansible Galaxy homepage. You can create an account in this, and you can also start to contribute. Opening account is very simple. There are simple steps you can create it. I'm not going to show that. You can upload your picture and many things. It's like how do we create an account in LinkedIn and GitHub? Same thing. And you can start to download. To download codes, account is not needed. Subscription is not needed. To upload, you must create an account in it. Clear? To upload codes, you must create an account in it. To download code, nothing. You can download simply. And these are most popular categorized codes. System related activities or operation codes, monitoring related operation codes, package related, development related, network, like all are available. These are most popular category. These are the activities you can do download, share, something, understanding. Click on home. We are in actually home only. Click on search. Then you will get a search bar. You can see here most popular tags. We have thumbnails and tags in YouTube, right? Same concepts are available here also. These are most popular search tags. Suppose I just want to search for the code which can be used to deploy web server. Suppose if I want to If I need code for deploying network, the network like this. So I mean, there are how many codes are available visible here, total number of codes. Also you can search example. Okay, I just want code for installing, configuring Apache. Then I can search, I can use any keyword like Apache, HTTPD, web, anything. Understanding, because contributor will use all of these search keywords as tag. So easy to locate. Next, what I'll do is I'll just say here HTTPD. I'm just saying HTTPD and just enter. So it will show you all possible HTTP codes, HTTPD code. See written here. How many tags he has given for one, one code? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understand? These are tricks. And also you have a chance for business in this. Okay, I forgot to tell that. You have a chance for business. You can contact a particular, okay, contributor. You can ask, okay, her or him to help you to do a particular, okay, task. Okay, I mean, it's paid service. Okay, it's available here anyway. So if you want, like if you're okay, you can just, go to this. I'll tell you one important thing. Codes are actually screened, censored well. Understanding? Codes are screened and censored well. Okay. Even though there is a chance for malicious codes. Understanding? Even even though there is a chance for malicious code. So what you have to do is, okay, you must ensure the code which you are downloading is not malicious. How? It is difficult initially. Okay, you can see some organization or some people may, I'm as a person may be following a particular contributor after creating trust, understanding. So it is a bit difficult to know the trustworthiness of the code. So you need you need experience. You need experience, then only you can come to know the, okay, you can know the trustworthiness of the code. That is important. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll show you how to, okay, this is how we manage from, you can, and if you want, you can just click on it and how many downloads are available. And also if you click on it, you will come to know the, okay, ranking and everything will be available here. It is, okay, it's not difficult. Okay, ratings, you have to check the ratings and many things. Okay, so like this only one expert will always download code from this. I know well in GitHub because I'm using it. I don't know anything about, I don't know more about Galaxy. I didn't put effort to learn in depth because no use, because it is supporting only Ansible course. Okay, you can see here download tarball. Tarball means right, compression, compressed file will be available, and you can decompress and you can bring to the machine, and this is how we do. But I'm going to teach you how do we manage this from, how do we manage this from, okay, command prompt. That is what we have to study. How do we, okay, download, find, list, info, okay, and of the particular I mean like Galaxy code. Okay, look here, one second, I just want to open one file. I don't remember complete commands. Okay, one moment. I am not sure whether it is available here or not. Galaxy, yeah, it's available here. There are some commands, only 3-4 commands, that's all. Okay, look here. First of all, your machine must have internet connection. That is mandatory. Internet connection is mandatory. So what I'll do is I'll just create one more connection in this. Look here. Okay, just to say like IP address, showing some address that is given manually, right? You just try to ping to the Facebook or Google, ping google.com, not pinging, means no internet connection. Then you can just say NMCLI connection show. There is one connection. So what I'll do is I'll create one more connection, 30 for example, okay? And I'll connect that to the internet. It's very easy. NMCLI connection, add connection, name of the connection. I'll just say like test. and type of the network is Ethernet, and interface name is ENS33, and IPv4 dot method. Okay, IPv4 dot method. I'll just say auto. IPv4 dot method auto. Connection created. Check ls nmcli. There's new connection created test. I'll make it up. How? I'll just say nmcli connection down. Connection name is what? ENS33. Now connection test is up, right? Yes, test is up. Now try to ping to the Google. Yes, okay, pinging. So connection is available. Now we are going to, connection is available. Now we are going to, I'm going to show you some commands which can be, which we, normally we will not be managing. You please try to understand, we will not be managing Galaxy from the GUI. We always manage it from CLI only. We always manage it from CLI. Understand? Okay, so that is what Red Hat recommends. So I'll teach that only. Okay, first command I'm just going to teach you how do we locate a particular. I just want to locate a particular code. That is very important, right? First thing is a big library. Okay, I just reach in library. So I just want to know a particular book is available or not. So there is a library, okay, a library manager. I'll ask him whether, okay, this so-and-so book is available here or not. So sure, okay, they will tell yes if available, else that's all. Understanding. So this is how it works in library case. The same only here also. Okay, here what I'll do is I'll use command. I'll use command Ansible Galaxy search, and you can search for the code. Search for the code based on author of the code, author name. You can search for the code based on platform. You can search for the code based on tags of the tag tags. Let's try first tag. Okay, I'll just copy this. I could type it, but typing will take time. Let me just copy paste. Okay, I'll just give the tag. I'll give HTTPD example. Okay. There are many names. So suppose if Manohar open an account in Galaxy for contributing code. Okay, your code, your code name would be after, okay, suppose you have uploaded a code. Your code name would be like this, what Manohar dot, suppose you have uploaded for Apache, then Manohar dot Apache, Manohar dot NTP, Manohar dot networking, like this only it will, okay, so understanding. So here you try to understand. So these are actually technically called, okay, role. I'm going to tell that. You please try to understand a code contributor always contribute codes in the form of role. We have learned in last class. So the role name will have always name of the author and name of the purpose of that particular code. Understanding role name will be, role name has two part actually. Sorry. Okay. It has two part. First part is name of the author. First part name of the author. Second part is what purpose of the code. So these are the two important part of the code. Understanding. So here you see these are the role name. When you look at role name, you can see these are the people name actually. Understand? These are the people name or maybe like their organization name. Understanding? Okay. Look here, Chris 1984 dot on cloud. Okay, role. Understanding. So what is the purpose? On cloud, on enterprises Linux such as Windows and Red Hat. So on cloud is actually On cloud is a cloud service, right? CSP, cloud, okay, service provider. Understanding. So like this, you please try to understand it. Okay. Every contributors are contributing codes in the form of role. Okay. The role name has two parts. First is name of the author. Second is purpose of the code. So if the purpose of the name of author is Manohar, purpose of the code is Apache, then Manohar.apache. Like this only, it will automatically populate. And description also available here. And after this, what you have to do is you have to check which code you want. Okay, actually, I'll just search for NTP. I just want to search for NTP. I'll I'll just say NTP instead of HTTPD. I'll say NTP. There is one contributor, Benno Joy. Okay, I've downloaded some of his code from GitHub. So I trust him. His codes are working well. So I'm searching for, look here, BBB. Benno Joy is not showing here, right? No. Benno Joy NTP is not showing. I don't know why. Okay, then you can search based on the author name. Okay, you can search based on author name. Okay, for that we have a separate command, right? You can just give what? Author instead of instead of name of instead of giving tag, I'll just give author Benno Joy. Let's try. So it will show you all codes which Benno Joy contributed. He might have contributed NTP, Apache, everything. Look here, Benno Joy NTP is available. Ansible role for NTP. Understanding? All are role only. Understand? So next, example we have located. So we got it. We have got it. Again, Ansible Galaxy. I mean, a particular person will be always following a particular contributor role. Understanding? A particular person may always follow a particular contributor because of that trust is really matter. Understanding? So next, I just want to get information about this particular, then I can use Ansible Galaxy Info, Ansible Galaxy Info, and that particular code name. Understanding? Example, I just want to get the information of this particular code. Okay, that is Benno Joy NTP. Okay, so I'll just say Benno Joy joy.ntp, right? NTP. Benno joy.ntp. Just enter. Then you will get the information. You'll get details of this. Details are visible when, okay, and version, complete details are available here. Author name, and it says it is same thing available in GitHub also. Understand? Same person is contributing in GitHub also, it seems. Okay, so it's completely available, version, everything available here. So after reading the information, what is next? We want to download it. For that, we use install command. Command is install. Ansible Galaxy install and name of the role. Understanding? So what I'll do is I'll just give the command here. Benno joy.ntp. Okay, there is one. Okay, question. Where exactly this role might be getting downloaded? Where exactly it will get downloaded? Understand? That is important question. Who logged in root user? Just to say, okay, ls hyphen a slash root. This is a home directory, right? You can see there is one directory called .ansible. .ansible, hidden directory. You just say .ansible. Okay, in this, do we have any directory by name roles? No, right? No directory by name roles. Now I'm going to, okay, download it. I'm just going to download it. Let's see what will happen. I'm going to download. I'll just say download Benno Joy NTP. Download means install. Command is install. So downloading roles will happen quickly because okay, roles size is really very less. Role size will be always less. So download it. Now it is downloaded. Now what you have to do is you just check previous location. You can see roles directory is created. Last time, okay, I mean there was no role directory last time, but now there is a role directory. Understanding? Now just to say like Ansible roles, then you can see bennojoy.ntps. Okay, downloaded. And just to say again bennojoy, then you can find something what we learned in last class. Look here, showing defaults, handlers, meta directory, task directory, template, words. Okay, you remember, right? So that's what I said. Every contributors are writing codes in role form, Ansible role format. Okay, we have downloaded. Okay, so what if I want to download in another location? Then you can just give the path. There is a command -p. If you want to, okay, default location is .ansible directory. Okay, available in home directory of presently login user. And if you want to download to some other location, custom location, you can just give -p and just mention the location. Example, I want to download to OPT. Downloading to OPT. Understanding? Like this, you can download. And what is next? Listen well. We have downloaded code, right? Or we have downloaded roles. What is next? We have to write main. Okay, play for this. You are getting only role. You are getting only role. Understanding? So you have to write the play for the role. You have to write. And also, sometime you will have to customize the role based on your circumstance. Understanding? You please try to understand. You cannot download, you cannot run the downloaded code directly because if it is a general code, sometime it will work fine. If it is a generally written code, sometime it may work fine. If it is not general code, you will have to make some changes according to your environment because code is written by someone. They don't know about your infrastructure, your requirement. Okay. And also you try to understand, okay, role contributors are not giving role. Okay, role contributors are not giving main play. You have to write the main play. Main play you must write because you are downloading codes to your local machine, so they don't know where you are going to download. So they will not give uh, you know um, main play. You have to write it. So we have downloaded already. So I'm just going to write the main play. I'm just going to write main play. What I'll do is I'll just say vim okay ntp.yml. Okay, and nothing, it's simple. I say name of the okay installing and configuring NTP server and host. I'll say server A. I don't have to use task key here. Okay, no need to use task key or any other thing. So what I'll do is I'll directly write um, roles, and I'll just give the role path here. Path of the role is /root /dot ansible /roles. Okay, /benno joy dot ntp. This is the role name. Role name is bennojoy dot ntp. Role is a directory, right? Role is directory. That's all. Finish. 3 lines. I think sometime we will have to mention the uh, variable file path also. Let me check because the global scope variable. Sometime we'll have to give that. Now what I'll do is I'll just try to run this Ansible -playbook ntp. Enter. There's a chance for errors. Let's see. Okay, first error, right? Role. Why this error? /root dot Ansible. Okay, sorry. you try to understand there is okay, there are chances for errors. Reason, this is a role which we have downloaded, and this role was really not written for our purpose. It's a general, maybe general, or okay, like non-general code. So some, okay, we'll have to make the changes, depends on our requirement. What it says, unreachable, message failed to connect to the host via SSH connect to the okay, sorry, we have changed the IP of this machine for connecting to internet, right? So I'll just say nmcli connection up ENS33. That's all. Now try again. Okay, one task runs successfully. First one. Second task failed. Second task failed because of upper cultural illness. Inspected package RC number one. Okay, this is actually because of some condition, I think. Let me check. So here task, we got error related to task. Then what you have to do is you have to, okay, locate that file. So it is in /root dot ansible directory, in that roles directory, in that Benojoy, in that task, in that main.yaml. Okay, look here, there are some, I'll just delete these two lines. Okay, I mean these two tasks we don't need actually, because that's for Red Hat OS, not for Red Hat and Debian. Okay, so we don't need it. And I'll just save this. I'll try to run it again, because those two tasks, especially for Red Hat and Debian OS, we are not using any of those OS here. Again, handler error. Handler error message could not find the requested service NTPD. Okay, earlier service name was NTPD, now it is cronid. Okay, so we will have to change it. That's what I said. You try to understand. Downloaded code cannot be directly run your infrastructure, because sometime you will have to, if it is a general code, okay, no problem. Okay, general code means anybody can execute. If it is like non-general, really you will have to make changes, adequate changes. So here what is our what is our advantage? What's advantage? We can save time, no need to write complete code again. Understand? Now what I'll do is I'll just open, I think it's variable only. So I have to just go to /root dot ansible, and just to say what false, then no joy, and wars. In this, I'll just say vim. Instead of vim, I'll just say ls first. There are 3 files. So let me check the Red Hat file or main file. Let me check one by one. First I'll check Debian. NTP service name is NTP showing. Okay, let me check another. Okay, problem is here. Service name is NTPD, so that should be changed to okay cronid, because now service name is cronid. NTPD is actually old name. So he might have wrote this code for Linux 6. Understand? So just a minute. I'll try to execute it again. You should run this time, okay? So like this, I'm just showing an example. That's all. You please try to understand. This is just an example. Yes, run successfully. Okay, I'm not going to check the changes what happened in machine. I'm just showing an example. How do we do this? Okay, this is how we download. Okay, find the code from Galaxy. And finally, there is one command to remove the code. Okay, also there is a list. Okay, list command. List command will list you all downloaded codes. We just say Ansible -galaxy. Okay, and just a list, right? No hyphen. Listing all downloaded. Say, okay, Benojoy and DP role is available. Okay, in Ansible role path. Understanding this Ansible role path. Now what I'll do is I just want to remove it. For removing, I just say remove, and give the name of the particular role name. Okay, just enter. Removed. Check ls again. ls-a/root dot ansible slash. No need to say ls-a. ls is in it. Ansible roles. See, Benajo is removed. Clear? So this is all about downloading codes from Ansible Galaxy. Okay, matter of Ansible, and I mean like matter of GitHub also really almost similar, but in GitHub you can use some more command. There are so many commands again. You can bring GitHub code directly to your containerization registry. There are so many techniques. Understanding. Okay, nowadays if you learn only one technology, not enough. Must have idea on multiple technology. That's the reason we usually say suggest go for what DevOps course also in future, not okay now in future. Okay, ask if any questions in questions related to this. If any questions, please ask. If no questions, we have to go for Ansible troubleshoot. That's matter of 20 minutes. Very simple, very simple. Okay, troubleshoot. Chapter name is Ansible troubleshoot, but we have shooted so many troubles so far, right? So very simple chapter. I've already shared textbook, you can check it. If no question, I'll move to, okay, I'll use, I need, PDF for that. Okay, otherwise, ninth chapter. Okay, Ansible troubleshooting. In this, first one, log file. You can keep, Ansible. Your Linux operating system is not generating or logging events for Ansible by default. If you want, you will have to create an extra entry in your configuration file. Okay, you must create an extra entry in your configuration file. That is what I'm going to show you first. How do we request Ansible to generate logs? Okay, for that we have log path, and you can give the path. Look here. The location where exactly Linux operating system keep all segregated logs, right? It is in /ls where /log/ this is a path. Here I just want to request Ansible to generate. I just want to request Ansible to generate logs in this path. For that I should open configuration file, Ansible configuration file. I should add an extra entry here, that is log underscore path, and just give a path. I'll give /var/ log/ and c.log. You can give any name, okay? You can give any name, any location, really doesn't matter. I'm just giving that. Now check again, and c.log file is not visible here, right? It's not created, generated. I'm just going to run one small, I'll just run users.yaml. I don't know which one, package.yaml. Okay, pkg.yaml. I'll just get pkg.yaml. Oh, get user.
Writing from starting will take time. Loop user, loop host. Test.yaml. All are encrypted here. I don't remember what's the command of this. Sorry, what's the password of this? App.yaml. Yes, we will use this. Okay. I want to run this. I want to run this. When I'm running this, Ansible has to generate log. It should create, it should log all events. Okay. So I'm just going to run Ansible hyphen playbook app.yaml. Look, what's the problem? Failed to connect. This is such a, what happened? SSH is not working. Not able to take SSH. It's in SSH. Able to take SSH. Why it's saying like this? Unreached server B. Okay. Sorry. Again, app.yaml. Okay, running. So what will happen is ANSI.log file should get created under where log, and that should have complete steps. Now check ls slash where slash log ANSI.log file is visible, right? Earlier it was not there. Now just to say cat see complete steps are available. One moment. Okay, so this is how we request Ansible application to log complete events. Okay, you try to understand Ansible is not logging events by default. Next is debug module. I will not explain this because we have used this module many times. This module is used to just, display messages on screen, and also you can print content of a particular variable on screen. That's the purpose of this debug module. So please forget, we have already used multiple times. It's again available in troubleshooting chapter. Next is Ansible playbook, managing errors. Managing errors. This also we have practiced many times, right? So please don't ask me to repeat. I will not repeat. Syntax check. Next is, okay, imagine there is a play which contain 10 tasks. So when you run play, what will happen? All 10 tasks will be running, right? So I just want to run only selected task. I just want to run only selected task. For that, what we will do is, we will use hyphen steps. Look here. So I'm going to run a play which contain 2 tasks. This is a play. Contain 2 tasks. I'll just say hyphen step. Look here. It's asking you whether you want to run or not. Installing AutoFS, you want to run or not. I'm giving no. Then asking next one, whether you want to run. Okay, next. Installing AutoFS. First is gathering. Okay, gathering facts. We say no. Next is installing AutoFS. I'm saying no. Next asking, do you want to run the third task? I'll give yes. Okay, it contain only 3 tasks. Understanding? 3 tasks. Understand? So like this. Okay, so if you want to run only a particular task, it's better. Okay, you have a play which contain 10 tasks, but I want to run only particular task, then you can go for -step. Okay, so in this we have some tricks, that's all. Next is, some people ask, like, I have a play which contain 10 tasks, but when you run that play, what will happen? Ansible will start to execute from, it will start execution from the first task, first, second, third, so on. But what I want is, I just want to start execution from fifth task. I want to execute from fifth and below. For that, we use this -- start at task, -- start at task. Okay, look here. Cat app.yaml. How many tasks we have? We have 2 tasks. I want to start execution from the second task. Then what I'll do is I'll just copy the name of this particular task, and I'll just say here, last time we have start -- task, and just to say the task name in single or double quote. Okay, that's all. Look here, this contains 2 tasks. First task is gathering facts, second task is installing AutoFS, third is starting AutoFS. So I'm just requesting to start from the third, but you try to understand, gathering facts is automatic, right? Look here, gathering facts will always run, but installing AutoFS is not run, only starting AutoFS. Clear? Understand? So that means start from a particular task, means execute only from one task and a particular task and below task. For that we use what? Start a task option. Finished. This is what in troubleshoot we have really. Next is, there is something called smoke test or check mode. So this is also called trial run. So I just want to run this complete example. I'll just reset this machine. Okay, I have one play, this play. I just want to run this plane. Okay, check mode. Check mode means what is check mode? Check mode means what to say, like, just we'll get error because we have starting also, right? Okay, let me just write a small play here, then you can easily understand. Vim u.ym. Okay, u.ym. Okay, I'll just say Ansible -playbook -C u.yml. Okay, so before that, check whether user account for Sally exists. ID Sally. No, oh, ID Sally already exists. Let me just remove. Okay, I'll just say user del Sally. Check ID Sally. No, ID Jolie. No. Okay, now what I'll do is, I'm just going to run this, but I have mentioned here -C stands for check mode, trial run, dry run, check mode, all are same, capital C, run. See, it's showing like running well, right? Yes, it says changed, created user account for change means created, right? Come and check. No, but successfully run. showing in amber color. Amber color means changed. There is another method. Another method is, I'll just open it and I'll just say here, I'll just add check check mode. Yes, check mode. Yes, check mode. Yes. Okay, so that is what we are discussing. Look here, it's there. Check mode. Okay, you can use check mode. check mode. I'm just adding check mode. Yes, and just run it again. But this time, I will not use. I will not add. I will not give -c here. I'll just remove it. Running it again. Okay, just a comment check. User account is created. ID Sally. No. ID, because last time we have mentioned -c on command prompt. Now we have added -check mode. C stands for check mode. We have added common. Okay, commonly. Commonly means it's commonly added, right? Commonly added for display. Commonly added for display, right? Commonly added here. But I just want to add check mode for what I'll do is I'll just copy this. I'll add check mode for this particular task. I'll just add check mode. So you can add for particular, okay, task also. I'll add here check mode. Okay, check mode is added here. Okay, I didn't add check mode in second task. Let's see what will happen. Check mode is added for Sally, not for Jolie. Just run it again. Oh, sorry. It's there in. I didn't remove. Sorry. I should remove from here. Okay. Not needed. I didn't add check mode for common. I've added in only one task. Then only that task will run in check mode. Creating Sally, creating Jolie. Check Sally and Jolie created or not. Here, you see, Sally is created. Check Sally, not created. Check Jolie. Yes. Understand? Only particular task will be run in check mode. This is what check mode. Okay, with this, what finished really? Okay, check the textbook. But you have some more ADO commands what we learned. They have repeated this ADO commands in this 9th chapter again that you must practice. Not my headache, that's your headache. Okay, this is all about troubleshooting of this particular topic. Next, there is one inventory. So inventory we have really learned very well. But I just put 15 minutes. If you have any questions related to static inventory, you can ask. Static inventory. We know inventory file is very important. Okay, inventory file is like classroom attendance register. Understanding. So names of every managed host must be available in a file that is called inventory file. This inventory file can be either static or dynamic. Okay, we have only static in our syllabus. We have learned static inventory file creation. We know how do we add computers in inventory also. If you want, I'll just open it once. Our inventory file name is host only. Look here. This is inventory file. We have created group, host group, and also nested host group also created. Okay, if any questions related to this, you can ask. That is for 15 minutes. Okay, ask please any questions. Her practice is really required. Listen and go, really no use. There are many people just listening and going. Practice. So I'll tell personally one thing. Help will be really available anytime. Anytime in the sense like sometime I'll be in office. Then I will not be responding for the messages sometime. Okay. So you can ask doubts and anything really anytime. Okay, so I'll be always, I'll revert, I'll reply for the messages when I'm free. No worries about it. Means help is available for study. So you must clear all doubts. That's all. Planning for exam? Manohar, any plan for exam?
Yeah, 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 sir. I'm planning for exam. Daily practice on your records, sir.
Okay. So RHS CSA exam, right?
Yeah,
That's enough.
in this to yeah,
Okay. So where are you from basically?
sir.
Manohar, where are you from basically?
Sir,
You are
sir,
from
I'm
which state?
Sagarian, sir. It's from
No, no,
Karnataka, sir.
Karnataka. Okay. Which district?
Yes, sir. You can found Karnataka, but it's a small village, Sagar.
Yeah, it's in Shimoga.
Yeah, sir, Shimoga.
Shimoga, yeah, I know. Okay, so help is really always available. So, but before going for exam, you must try boot camp. You just contact Ashwin. He will arrange boot camp. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
And also, I will request if any, okay, if any, like